Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, very warm welcome to my vlog series. In this new episode, we will be further discussing and I will be sharing some pics and videos regarding the Sulatan Valley, the land of waterfalls and flowery meadows. My friend Aftab Hussain has discovered two waterfalls at HinduBaig, newly discovered waterfalls. Dear viewers, we discussed in the last episode the access and distance of Sulatan Valley. Dear viewers, let's come to enjoy the wonderful flowery meadows of Sulatan Valley, the wonderful waterfall of HinduBaig, the lower one which you have just watched has been discovered by Aftab Khan Ronial.